to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw a lovely turtle. And I will tell you the story Toby the Patient Turtle. Okay, let's go. Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, there lived a wise and gentle turtle named Toby. Toby had a shiny, brown shell and a slow, steady way of moving. While other animals in the forest loved to run and jump, Toby preferred to take his time, enjoying every little thing he saw along the way. One sunny morning, the forest animals gathered for their annual race. The race was a big event, and everyone was excited. The fastest animals, like the rabbits and deer, lined up at the starting line, eager to show off their speed. Toby loved watching the race every year, but he had never joined. He knew he was slow, and he didn't think he could ever win. But this year, something felt different. Toby decided he would enter the race not to win, but just to see how far he could go. When Toby slowly made his way to the starting line, the other animals looked surprised. "Toby, are you sure you want to race?" asked the rabbits, giggling a little. "You're so slow, you'll never win." Toby smiled and said, "I know I'm not fast, but I just want to enjoy the race." The race began with the loud call of the owl, and all the animals dashed off as fast as they could. The rabbits hopped quickly, the deer leapt gracefully, and the squirrels zipped from tree to tree. Toby started moving too, but he wasn't rushing. He took one step at a time, slowly and steadily. As the animals ran ahead, they soon grew tired. The rabbits stopped to munch on some carrots, the deer paused to drink from a stream, and the squirrels got distracted by the acorns. But Toby kept going, step by step, without stopping. Along the way, Toby saw many beautiful things in the forest: the bright flowers, the singing birds, and the clear blue sky. He felt happy and peaceful, enjoying every moment. Eventually, the other animals noticed something surprising. Toby was catching up to them. They were so busy resting and playing that they hadn't noticed how far they had fallen behind. They quickly tried to get back into the race, but they were too tired to keep up their speed. Meanwhile, Toby kept moving forward, never hurrying, never stopping. As the finish line came into view, Toby's slow and steady pace carried him right across it. To everyone's amazement, Toby had won the race. The other animals cheered for Toby. They realized that being fast wasn't the only way to win a race. Toby had taught them an important lesson. Sometimes, it's better to take your time, enjoy the journey, and keep going, even when things seem tough. From that day on, the animals looked up to Toby not just as a wise turtle, but as a winner who showed that patience and determination can lead to success. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time.